Understanding the phrase, thumb your nose at. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and somewhat humorous phrase in the English language, thumb your nose at. This expression is a great example of how colorful and vivid the English language can be. Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins. Whether you're learning English as a second language or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, this video is for you. To thumb your nose at someone or something means to show scorn, disrespect, or disdain. It's a way of indicating that you do not approve of someone or something, or that you consider them unworthy of respect. Interestingly, this phrase can be both literal and figurative. Literally, it might involve a physical gesture where someone places their thumb on their nose with fingers spread, often wiggling them. This gesture is a bit old-fashioned and less common today. Figuratively, it's used much more broadly to express contempt or dismissal without any physical gesture. Understanding how to use this phrase correctly is key to incorporating it into your vocabulary. Let's look at some examples. He thumbed his nose at tradition and chose a path less traveled. Despite the critics, she thumbed her nose at the negative feedback and continued with her innovative project. They thumbed their noses at the new policy, refusing to follow the guidelines set by the authorities. These examples show that you can thumb your nose at people, ideas, rules, and more. It's a versatile phrase that adds color to language, especially when expressing opposition or disdain. The phrase, thumb your nose at, has a somewhat murky history, but it's believed to date back to the 18th or 19th century. The gesture associated with this expression might be older, with various cultures having similar gestures to signify mockery or insult. Understanding its origins gives us insight into how expressions evolve over time and how gestures can become embedded in language to convey specific feelings or attitudes. We hope this video has shed some light on the phrase, thumb your nose at, and added a fun, expressive idiom to your English repertoire. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the rich tapestry of expressions that convey emotion, culture, and attitude. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you feel more confident using this phrase in your conversations or writings. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.